Hey guys, look what just came in. Straight from the TikTok shop. Just got here right in time for Father's Day. I know y'all ready for Father's Day. And you know ain't nothing better for a father than a good knife. Let's check it out. This that Husky, straight out of Japan. That Japanese steel. Man, listen. That's how it come. Them fathers will be excited if they could get one of these. Let's take a look. Got his own little case. I'm opening it in front of y'all. Y'all seeing as I go. It just came in. Let's look at it. Pretty little case. Look at that knife, man. Premier grip. You can grip it. Nice little sharp edge. If y'all want one of these and y'all think about getting one of these for y'all fathers, y'all grandfathers, anybody y'all know that cooks, right here, right on top, hit that button. They're going to love this, man. They're going to love it.